guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my filming room. I'm planning to rearrange my filming room, but before I do that, I want to show you guys how it looks right now. And yeah, let's go right into it and show you guys how it looks. So before I get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, and also push that bell button right beside the subscribe button, and you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So this channel, I don't do anything about hair, about makeup. This channel is about everything that has nothing to do with hair and makeup. So if you don't know, I have another YouTube channel, IVJ TV. Over there I do hair, makeup, DIYs and other stuff. So if you're new here, please push the subscribe button down below. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and let's get right into this video. And I'm going to show you guys how my filming room looks like. When you walk in, so this is the stairs. So I come down from the second floor, and the kids playroom is on this side, and my office is also right here. So when you come downstairs, the first thing you're going to be seeing is my office. So as I said, this is my office slash studio. So I'm going to show you guys around the things that I have there, and you guys will see where I work and where I create all my amazing videos. This is what you're going to be seeing when you come in. On my left hand side, I have this acrylic storage thing that I got a few years ago, and it's broken, but I was able to fix it a little bit. You're going to see all my hair product, all my palette, makeup palette. This is not all, but this is where I keep majority of them. As you can see, I have so many, guys. I have so many makeup palette, eyeshadows, and yeah, and also some of my hair product. And this is a room. This is like a furnace room and everything. So I'm going to just show you guys around. So this is the two light box that I have. I'm currently not filming, but I'm going to turn it on for you guys so that you guys can see how my lighting is when I'm filming. So when I'm filming, I have all the three light on, and also I have a pot light that is like white light, so it's not like yellowish light, so it's like white light. So when you come in, you have my table right here that I set up. This table, I got it, I believe, Walmart, and I have my laptop. I have all the product that I use to film. So all my hair product, comb, brush, makeup brush, like eye pencils, I store them all here. So it's always handy when I need it. I don't have to move my chair all the time to just get something. So this is my tree light, all the stuff that I use to do my tutorials. I also have my laptop, and this laptop is really old, but I still love it. So I connect my camera to my laptop so I can see what I'm doing and how it looks like on the camera. And also I DIY this aluminum on this what is it called, on this table. I do have a shooting I do have this one for videoing, but it was too big. It was taking so much space, so I end up putting it down. When I want to take a good picture, I bring that out. It reflects the light back to me and makes my picture looks nice and clean. So this is what I do. And also I have other stuff in here. These are the storage where I keep all my product. All my wigs that I'm selling, they're all here. So if you guys order stuff from me, I know where all my stuff are, the kind of wigs, the different styles of wigs that is here. I have two printer, and the reason I have two printer, this is the first printer and this is the second printer. So I'm going to tell you guys why I have two printer. I got this printer about 11 years ago, a very, very long time, and has been really good to me. It's Brother. I love this printer, but unfortunately, because when I started my online business, I wanted a printer that can do label printing. So when I print all my stuff from, like when you guys order stuff from me, I can just print it here. But unfortunately, this is not a good printer. It was very cheap, it was inexpensive. Anyway, it's not a good printer. I'm still hoping, like I'm still saving up to get like a real nice printer that can help me print out my labels. And yeah, so also I have this storage. As you guys can see, I store all my work there, all my other stuff there, and I have all my papers. If I want to print, I just fill it up and I'll print. As you can see, this area, this one I did myself. I put on a shelf on here. I went to IKEA, got this, I don't know what these are called, and I just hang this shelf up just to give me more storage. And also this bookshelf, I also got it from IKEA. It's the $55 bookshelf from IKEA, and where I can store my wig. You can always design this the way you want, like the spacing, you can always do it the way you want, and I really like it the way it is. I'm planning to get a second one, maybe move this couch somewhere else, or just create a very nice office sitting area. For now, I don't know what to do. I'm hoping very soon I'll be able to do that. So this is where I keep all my hair product I use for my YouTube channel. For example, the leftover hair that I did not finish from recording, I put it here. Some of the wig that I made, so there's one wig that I just recently posted, and the wig is right here. So when I'm about to do another one, I just take it off and I put it right here. So the wig that I sell and the wig that I make myself are completely separate storage boxes. So this is all the wigs. This is the box that I use for the wigs that I made, and over here these are all, this 1, 2, 3 over there are my storage for my wigs that I sell. So guys, if you don't know, I do sell braided wig. I sell you my hair. Please help and patronize me. You can go on www.ivyglam.com and purchase some wigs that I sell. So let's just keep going. So when you turn on, when I'm facing the door, so I can close my office door so I don't get so much noise. These are all the product, also all the product that I sell as well. This is what I use to section all my hair out, that I use to braid hair and do my wig. This really helps a lot. So this is where I store all my product. I'm going to move this out. So these are some of my product that I sell. So as you can see, there's so many stuff that are in here. And also on this box, I just recently ordered them and I haven't emptied them out. And also I have my lashes, new set of lashes that I also ordered. They're in here. And yeah, that is how my office look right now. I'm planning to do more, like maybe rearrange, redecorate this office space / studio, just to create more space. And also recently, if you follow me on my Instagram page as ivy.j_, you will know that I recently installed a TV in my filming room, because sometimes it can get really bored in here if you're filming for a long time, and at least you have a background noise and you have something like watching. So I recently installed a TV and also got myself this baby right here, Alexa. So you can just ask, see, turns on, you can ask Alexa, please play me music. If you don't want to watch me,
here's something I found from WikiHow. Alexa, play Tom Sawyer by Rush on Amazon. Plays this song by this artist. Alexa, play electronic music on Amazon.
Alexa, stop.
Shuffles.
So I have that there too, in case I don't want to watch movie and I just want to listen to something or read a book or just listen to music, and can just ask Alexa to play me music. So yeah, that is all about my filming room, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Alexa, stop. So yeah, this is all about this video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos like this, and I hope you guys subscribe to my new channel, guys. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. I'm going to redecorate this room or rearrange this room very soon. I hope I'll post it for you guys to see how I was able to transform this room. So guys, this is all about this video. I hope you guys like it, and as I mentioned before, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this, and I'm going to be posting it for you guys, and I'm going to let you guys go. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.